Welcome to my channel. Affordable rebuilt engines for sale. Tips before you buy. 1. Price that's too cheap is a red flag. Engines aren't like phone cases. If it's half the price of everyone else, it's probably garbage, or missing half the stuff you'll actually need. 2. Ask what's actually rebuilt. Rebuilt is vague as hell. Sometimes it means they swapped out a bearing and called it a day. A real rebuild should mean pistons, rings, bearings, seals, gaskets, the whole wear set. 3. Look for machine shop work. If the block was honed, heads resurfaced, crank polished by, that's a good sign. If they can't tell you any machining was done, walk. 4. Warranty matters. No warranty equals no trust. Even a 6-month limited warranty is better than nothing. A solid shop will back their work at least a year. 5. Check shipping. Engines are heavy as hell. Sometimes shipping costs more than the engine. Factor it in. Also, ask how it's packaged. If it shows up wrapped in cling film on a pallet, pray. 6. Reviews greater than ads. Don't trust their site copy. Look for reviews from actual people who bought from them. Forums, Reddit, Google reviews. If you only see glowing testimonials on their own site, yeah, that's not proof. 7. Ask about the core charge. Most rebuilt engine sellers want your old engine back. That's the core. If you don't send it, they keep your money deposit. Make sure you know the terms. 8. Buy from someone reachable. A phone number you can actually call. An email they actually answer. If all you get is a sketchy contact form, good luck when things go sideways. Thanks for watching.